Kim, why? I need my money. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MissVeeLondon, and I'm back today with another super exciting video. You see by the title of the video that it is a Fendi times Skims haul. Now, I have done Skims on my channel before. I've hauled it quite a long time ago. I didn't have the best experience with it, but I am going to try some more Skims because I think I put myself off a little bit at that time. That was when it literally first launched. When they announced the Fendi times Skims collaboration, I was like, Kim, why? I need my money. But we have got a few pieces to try, and so I really hope that you're going to enjoy this video. But before we do any of that, have you subscribed to the channel? I know you ain't subscribed yet. There's some of you that have subscribed. Those are my oldies. But there's some of you here that are brand new for the first time, especially if you're coming just for this video. Hit that subscribe button. We do everything over here. We do fashion, we do lifestyle, we do a little bit of vlogging, we do a bit of everything. And we are growing this family over here. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and hit the like button as well, because that just lets me know that you came, you saw, you conquered. It also helps me out a lot if you guys engage by doing that. Make sure you drop a comment as well. So without further ado, let's get into this video. The Fendi times Skims launched on the, I'm gonna put it on the screen. I knew it was gonna drop. I signed up for it because I just wanted to have a look at some of the stuff. I wasn't sure how much it was gonna retail for. We know that Fendi is a big designer brand. So, and it was kind of a strange collaboration for me because Fendi and Skims are two different styles of, they're completely different styles, because Skims is obviously like a solution wear, shapewear, loungewear type of brand, and Fendi is just high-end designer brand. So it was interesting to me how they were going to make this collaboration work, and that was one of the reasons why I was excited to see what was going to be in there. So I signed up for it. So I went onto the website at the time, and it was like what you thought. It was like, you know, traffic. The website crashed for a bit. People were complaining on Instagram, like they're trying to get things and it's selling out in their baskets. The good thing is, if you're in the UK, we tend to have a little bit more luck when it comes to some of these collaborations, purely because I think most of the hype and everything is always in the US. The pieces went from about $100 to about $4,000 something, and the $4,000 something were like the leather dress. I'll put it on the screen if you haven't seen it. The leather dress, the cardigans were really pricey. Some of the dresses were really pricey. Some of the dresses were in the sort of like $900 to $1,000 price range. So if you were feeling like you wanted to drop a little bit of coin on it, you know, it's not, it's expensive, but it's Fendi. Do you know what I mean? So if you're going to think about it in a designer brand way, then it's maybe not way out of bracket. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, before I go on and on, I managed to get 4 pieces. I'm sure you're excited to see what pieces I got, so let me show you the boxes. Okay, so first of all, this is what everything came in. So I've got 3 boxes, and Fendi comes in like plain packaging. Don't want people taking your things on the way over. But then when you open the package, you see the Fendi on the inside of the box. If you've bought anything from designer brands, that's generally how they tend to do it, plain packaging on the outside, and then you'll get the pizzazz inside. And then this is the iconic pink packaging, or purple, whichever you want to call it, packaging that the Skims times Fendi comes in. And you can see that it's got this nice, like, almost vinyl print there, and it's embossed as well, so it feels really nice. This is really nice packaging. You get your receipt and things inside of the envelope there. So inside here, and this is actually a bag, by the way. It's a bag. It's so cute. I'm definitely going to keep hold of those. I'm going to show everything, and I'm going to do a try-on portion as well, which will come on the side of the screen. So I'm gonna move to the side a little bit. I'm gonna put this try-on portion on the side of the screen, but I really want to get into each piece, how it looks and how it feels, etc. Okay, and we're gonna pull this out, and then this is it. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna talk to you about the size of Skims and all that type of stuff, because we all know that Skims looks tiny when you take it out of the package, but it generally it tends to stretch. Now, this is an extra large, and I went by the size chart and everything like that, and it said that this was my size. It looks super tiny, and the stretch on it is tight. Now it is shapewear, so I'm not, you know, I'm not alien to that fact. I am gonna try it on, and you will be able to see what it looks like here. Has the Fendi tag inside of it, and this is a black one, so I know you're probably thinking, well, you can't even see the Fendi on it, but I'm gonna show you there is Fendi on here. Now here it is. If you have a look here, you'll see the FF, the classic Fendi monogram print. I can't remember what they call it. There's an actual name for it anyway, but it has the Skims at the bottom there. Classic Skims material. What I need to know is this something that I definitely need to have with the Fendi logo on it? Or can I just, if I'm going to get Skims, can I just get a regular Skims? Because we're paying premium because it's Fendi, but is it actually any different? It feels exactly the same as the other Skims that I've tried on. It doesn't feel like it's any different. It does have the Fendi Skims logo on there as well, on the straps. These straps are adjustable. This is the thong bodysuit as well. I really don't know how this is going to look. So make sure that you have a look in the try on section how this is looking. And yeah. Okay, so the next piece that we have here, I've pulled it out of the package already, is this. This is probably one of the most popular pieces. For me personally, in terms of practicality and things that I wanted, bodysuit. Now, you're probably wondering what material this is. It is like, you know what? It actually feels like swimwear. That's what it feels like to me. This material is like a nylon. Really thick nylon. You can see that there's no print on the inside, but the print is all on the outside. This is really good quality. This is not going to rip, tear, anything like that. The quality of this is like a swimsuit, and you know swimsuits are pretty durable. I got this one in a size extra large, and I'm actually thinking I should have gone down, but I was just worried, you know. I looked at the size chart, and I would rather things were too big, a little bit too big, than too small, because what can I do with something that is too small? Okay guys, so listen, I went bodysuit mad. This is same size, extra large. It does clip at the bottom as well, if I didn't show you in the last one. It is a thong as well, nylon inside of the seating area. That's what you want to call it. Long sleeves, same type of material. I actually like this one because it's understated. The understated Fendi in kind of that grey on the black background, Fendi Skims, to me is like, it doesn't scream tacky, do you know what I mean? So that's what I more so am drawn to. I don't mind the purple one though, because when we go out, we're stepping out in style. But I do like this one because I feel like you can wear this really understated and it's not like in your face. Fendi tags as well. These are actually made so that you can, I think they're actually stitched on, like, so that you can get them off, because, you know, some people find them really annoying. So rather than destroying your material, they put just like 2 little stitches in it, and you can just like take that off really easily. But yeah, super nice. I have an outfit in mind for this already. Make sure that you have a look at the try on portion of this to see how it styles. Again, I wish I'd got this in the large, because I feel like it's very accommodating in terms of size, but you know, I wasn't to know, you know. So if you managed to get hold of this, you're gonna love it. If you didn't, I'm sorry, but look on the website, like I said, for restocks and things like that, because baby girl. This is the sculpting bra, and I got this in this khaki color, which I thought was really nice. Classic style. If you're used to Skims bras, you know this is the classic style. But then obviously you have the Fendi print on the front, along with the Skims as well underneath. It does have this nylon inside to help it stick to your body. Unfortunately, I tried this one on previous to this video, so I already know that this one, it ain't giving what it's supposed to have gave, okay? Now, here's the logo on the straps, adjustable straps. Listen, if you're somebody with big boobs, because I got this in a 2X, because I'm not playing. Okay, also I think the fact that the straps are so thin, it doesn't help somebody that has big boobs. And I know not everybody that is plus size has really big boobs, but it would be nice to be catered for sometimes. And I think when you're going up in sizes, sometimes you need to think about the fact that people's boobs may be fuller, and thin straps do not help. They dig and they pull. I really wanted this to work, but it just doesn't. It rolls up. It's just, it doesn't hold me. It just doesn't give. it does not give. I'm so sorry. So unfortunately for my bank account, this one is gonna have to go back. Okay guys, so you have reached the end of this Fendi x Skims video. I really hope that it was informative. I really hope that you enjoyed the things that I picked up. Like I said, I couldn't get my hands on everything, and let's face it, I'm not a millionaire. So when I am, I'll be able to buy the entire collection. But to be honest, there was stuff in there that I didn't really want. I just wanted practical things that I knew that I would wear, not just for the hype of it. The two shapewear pieces, I can live without it. I'd much rather actually just go and try on some of the other Skims pieces, like the actual Skims and not the collaboration, just because I'm not just going to keep it for Fendi's sake. You know, they're rich without me. They don't need me, you know. Yeah, was it worth the price tag? It's a designer. It's a designer, so if you like designer, it's worth the price tag. If you don't like designer, you don't like dropping money like that, it's not going to be worth it for you. So it's just, it swings and roundabouts. It swings and roundabouts. If you did enjoy this video, make sure that you hit that like button. I don't care. Hit the like button, hit the dislike button, engage with me. I don't care. Drop a comment down in the comment section. Let me know how you think this video was. Hit me up if you managed to get anything, because I want to know what you guys got. Link me to your videos, whatever it is, so that I can see what you guys got. I'm going to be styling these pieces on my Instagram, so make sure you head over to Instagram and check me out on there. If I didn't say subscribe and turn on your notification bells, because that will remind you every single time I upload a video. So I am MissVeeLondon, and it's been an amazing time with you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.